David, I have loved you every day for the last 10 years, and I am so happy to be your wife and love you for the rest of our lives.
Although I didn't show it, I was so excited for today. I was so happy watching you walk down the aisle towards me. I was finally about to marry my best friend.
I vow to always take care of your tummy, to be your biggest fan in life and at all of your basketball games, to support you unconditionally wherever life takes you.
It's become a genuine reflex for me to smile whenever I first see you at the start of our day.
Good morning, almost wife. I can't wait to see you in your dress. You're gonna look unreal. See you at the altar. Love, your almost husband. Oh my God. It says, Dear Sina, when we first met, I never imagined what an incredible journey we were embarking on together. I feel so blessed to be marrying you today. Inside this box are all the little reminders of why I love you so much, and I can't wait to call you my wife. Love you forever and always.
Whenever something good or bad happens, I always want to talk to you first, and I think those are marks of a real best friend.
I promise to love you, to care for you, and to support you through all of our life's journeys. But above all else, I promise I'll try to get better at using the GPS. I love how you are so helpful and giving to everyone you meet, and you almost never say no to anything.
Sina, I promise to encourage you to follow your dreams and to be a help whenever you need it. Promise to hold your hand through the good times and bad times.
And author of the law of grace, we declare in this Orthodox assembly and before the altar of the Lord of all the union of possession and the marriage of the blessed Orthodox son David to his betrothed, the blessed Orthodox daughter Sina, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, one God, amen. Blessed be God the Father, the Pantocrator. Jesus also asking the Lord our God to guard us in all this holiday and all the days of our
married you today because of your heart. You are passionate and driven, and I promise to always encourage that part of you. Seeing how you share your love with your family and friends is amazing. I saw how much you cared and loved your Nana. You are also the best aunt to Olivia and Luca.
I love how you are so helpful and giving to everyone you meet, and you almost never say no to anything. I love everything about you, and I truly feel like the luckiest person in the world marrying you today.
I met Sina actually at one of our annual Halloween gatherings, and she fell in love right away.
So I met David at church initially, and at that point he was just like the nice, shy deacon, really nice guy, and then I got to know the real David through my brother.
I knew Sina and David were meant to be when I found out just how much David also loved the zoo. Here's to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Cheers.
It's like, Mina, you're my mentor, my role model, and my hero. You need to say something. So I was like, oh, all right, fine.
Honestly, I could not have found anybody better than Sina for David. Actually, she is probably the best sister I ever hope to have. So, cheers.
From childhood on, she's really truly been a sister to me. And I'm sure I wouldn't be the person that I am today without her.
John and Julie, you sure raised one amazing woman who is known to her friends as a caring, supportive, smart, entrepreneurial, someone who makes the most of life, the ultimate thrift shopper, and as Haley mentioned, fearless.
Let's cheers to the beautiful couple. One love, Sina and David.
Sina and David, we wish you lots of smiles, lots of laughter, lots of joys, lots of celebrations.
David, you got a good wife there. She's a good girl. She's going to bring you to many different places in life.
Love each other, make many memories, respect each other, and laugh lots.
We were driving on the freeway, our minds drifting another state, floating above all the planes.